So, it's like drugs?
It's better than drugs, Jeremy.
It's from Japan!
So I waited so long for this, and I ordered them 2 days ago, and they're now just here, and I literally just brought them in from the UPS. They dropped it off, and they're here. I got my dream wheels. Got those wide boys too. Colt, do you approve? Do you approve? Colt approves. So we're gonna get this unboxed and see how good they look. I'm so excited. Whew. Whew. Don't need that yet. I don't think y'all are ready for this. I don't think. Oh, goddamn! God damn! I don't even want to touch it. I don't even want to touch it! These are so sick! Like, look how concave. Like, this is my hand. That's like a 5-inch hole! Made in Japan, boys. The RS05RR in 8 plus 15 offset for the R32 GTR. Any GTR. Woo! Woo! What's up, guys? So it's a little bright out, so I'm squinting. But today we are mounting my dream wheels onto some tires, and he's not here yet, but we have Tread Connection coming, so they actually come to your house in like a service van, and they have everything in the back of a service van, and then they just do everything at your house. Super convenient. But we are going with, where is it, some NT555 G2s in, let's see if I can get a picture of it in clean. Some Nitto NT55s, G2s, and 265/35 R18s. The Z is rated for, I think, above 160 miles an hour. If anyone was wondering that, correct me if I'm wrong, it might be like 180. With the old ENKEI RS05RR. I'm super excited. And these are the bad boys that we're going with. So shout out to Nissan Parts CC on Instagram and web and online. Waited 6 months for them, but worth every single penny. Look at that. They're open-ended, so it says Nismo. And it says Nismo there. What other perfectly good way to put on the Nissan. What's up, guys? So, tires are mounted. They look so good. The stretch isn't terrible. So apparently I did the math. 265/35 18s equals 10.44 inches. I think it's 0.44. Anyways, 10.4 inches wide. Tires are 10.5 inches wide, so I was like, cool, you know, 1/10 of an inch stretch. It's a little bit more than that. So if you're going with the 18 by 10.5 wheel, I would recommend 275s. It would be still a little stretch, but it'd be better. I actually kind of prefer this look. It looked on the balancer and mounter machine, it looked kind of extreme, but as soon as it popped the bead, or popped onto the bead, it wasn't bad. See, from the top view, you can't see the rim, which is perfect. And then from the side, you can see a little bit of the outer edge. So that's straight on, and that's coming out. So that's maybe, that's my knuckle. That's straight up and down on the wheel. So maybe a 1/4 inch of stretch, which, first step, jack up your car. That's Mighty Car Mods. And put it on jack stands. And then use your mad overly priced snap-on and break them loose along with that Milwaukee power. And then take your old JDM wheels off and put your new JDM wheels on. We're gonna pause for 1 second. What does that mean? Yeah, there's the wheel spacers. There's no way that there's no wheel spacers. Spacer number 2. This is fun. Now, why does this side look so much different? Probably just gonna have different lighting. Oh yeah. Yeah. You know where these are going? In the bin. Alright, so got all 4 wheels off, all 4 wheels on. So here's the review. And we've also got the Nismo open lug nuts, looking absolutely mint, and super nice wheel cap. But look how concave. That's absolutely bonkers. And then it's, from top, it's like 1/2 inch of a poke. But it looks so good. I'm in love. I'm absolutely in love. So we'll get more daylight shots and more just probably professional photography. Oh, Pete Baby Yoda. He's always watching over the car. And yeah, I'm absolutely in love. So until next time, thank you. If you like what you watch, like, subscribe, share, helps out a lot. Thank you. Have a good night.